guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. Come couponing with me at CVS this week in store. There's so many incredible deals. We're getting laundry products for $3.49 a piece, tons of diaper deals and baby wipe deals. You can grab diapers for $6.50 a piece. All you need is your phone to be able to score these deals as well. We're also going to be getting a little bit of cash back, which we love. So in this video, I'm going to break it down for you guys step by step. And I'm going to show you guys at the end my receipts, my transactions, my digital budget spreadsheet, literally every single thing that I do to be able to save hundreds of dollars every single month. Last month, I saved this much money, which was about over 80%. It was like 82% on average for every single product that I grabbed. So I'm going to show you guys, if you subscribe to my channel and you follow along in these videos, I show you every single step that I take so you can have these exact same results. I'm no different than you are. You just have to be consistent and you have to want to be able to save that money all the time. Below in the description box is a printable breakdown for you guys, as well as a link to my Everyday Savings Club. If you want to save this money, but you're like, honestly, Bree, I don't have time to go through the weekly ad. It takes me hours trying to match up the deals. I don't understand how to put together a coupon breakdown. Let me do the work for you. That's why I created my Everyday Savings Club. I give you the top 40 digital coupon deals, comes with a private Facebook group. You get my digital budget spreadsheet, everything that you need. So that link will be below for you guys, or you can just go to breecouponqueen.com/club and you can join us there. So let's head inside CVS and take advantage of some amazing deals this week. First, we're going to start with some easy oral care deals. So there's two deals I'm going to do in the same transaction. One deal is going to be on the smaller Crest toothpaste. They're on sale 2 for $7.98. And when you buy 2, you're going to earn back a $3 extra buck. Plus, in the CVS app, we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $3.98, get back a $3 extra buck, makes them just 49 cents a piece. The next deal we're going to grab is on the expensive Crest toothpaste. So they're regularly priced, but they're buy 2, get a $7 extra buck. I'm going to grab one of the 3D White Brilliants. There's a $5 digital coupon on the Coupons 24 app. That's a completely free app to download from the App Store, so definitely do that. Next, we're going to grab one of these Crest gum products here, same price at $10.99 with a separate $5 digital coupon on the Coupons 24 app. So I'm going to grab all 4 of these products in the same transaction because I'm going to be using a 5 off of 25 Crest CRT that I have. So total for all these products is $29.96, which is crazy. After all the coupons come off though, I'm only going to pay $10.96 out of pocket, earn back a $7 extra buck and a $3 extra buck, makes my final net cost 96 cents for all 4 of them, or 24 cents a piece, which is an insane deal. Then we're going to do the soft soap deal. So these are on sale, buy 1, get 1 half off. When you buy 2, you're gonna get back a $3 extra buck. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these at $6.59. The second one will be half price. Total is going to be $9.88 for both of them. On the CVS app, we have a $3.50 off 2 digital coupon. I'll pay $6.38, get back the $3 extra buck, makes it $3.38 for 2 of them, or just $1.69 a piece. I personally think that's a really good deal, and I'm out in my stockpile, so we're gonna grab it. The next deal we're gonna do is on one of my favorite hand soaps, Safeguard. It's a huge bottle of hand soap, and I love the scents. They're regularly priced at $4.79, but when you buy 2, you'll earn back a $6 extra buck. In your CVS app, there is a $1 off 2 digital coupon. So using that coupon, you're going to wind up paying $8.58 out of pocket. You can always pay with extra bucks though. You guys should know this by now. So that can lower your out-of-pocket cost. Then you're going to earn back a $6 extra buck, plus submit over to Ibotta. You're going to earn a $1 back for buying 2 of them. Makes your final net cost $1.58 for 2, or 79 cents a piece. If you're new to Ibotta, it is my absolute favorite cashback app. Use this code when you get signed up. The link is also in the description box. When you submit your first receipt, you're going to get a $5 bonus. That would make this over a $3.50 moneymaker for you. Now let's put together our household deal for this week. The deal is spend $20 on participating products, get a $4 extra buck. Now select Febreze products are on sale for $5.99 this week. I'm gonna grab these down here because I'm completely out in my stockpile and I love them. They're not tagged in my store, but here's how you know that it's included. You're gonna scan it on the CVS app. You see that it shows it's $5.99. You can go a step further and click on it. When you scroll down, you'll see that it's included in the extra buck promotion. So that's how you can double check. And on the Coupons 24 app, there is a $3.50 off 2 digital coupon that does work on these products. You can scan any product you want on the Coupons 24 app and it'll pull up if it's attaching to any of the coupons, which makes it super easy. So definitely activate that. Next item we're gonna grab is these Downy Unstoppable beads on sale for $6.99. Plus we have a $2 digital coupon in the CVS app. The last product we're gonna grab are these smaller Tide liquids down here. This one is the only one left that's 34 ounces. They recently reduced these down to 30 ounces, unfortunately, so shrinkflation is still a thing. That's why learning how to coupon is so important. There's also a $1 off 1 digital coupon for these, and they're on sale for $5.49, so let's go over this deal. So these are the 4 products that I'm gonna grab. Total is $24.46. So we're over the $20 mark. You don't have to worry about any 98% rules or anything like that. Every single one of you watching this video can do this deal this week. After the coupons come off, both from the CVS app and the Coupons 24 app, and I'll give you the checkout process in just a second, you'll pay $17.96 out of pocket. Then you're gonna earn back the $4 extra buck for spending at least $20. Makes your final net cost $13.96 for all 4 products, or about $3.49 a piece, which is an amazing deal for these. So the checkout process is, I typically go to a cashier. You can go to a self-checkout if you want. What I do at a cashier is I have them type in my phone number, they scan all the products, I have them scan the barcode on the Coupons 24 app. When you click on the 24 app and you open it, it'll say My Coupons. That's the barcode that they're gonna scan. Once they scan that barcode, then they're gonna scan any extra bucks that you have. They'll click total, and then all of your CVS coupons will come off. And then you'll just pay the remainder out of pocket. If you need diapers, it is definitely the deal to stock up. That's why when I always tell you guys deals are cyclical. Last week, there was no good deals on diapers. This week, we have an amazing deal on Pampers and a great deal on Huggies. So you wanna stock up when the deals are good, that way they'll last you until more deals come about. So let's start with the Pampers deal. They're on sale, 2 for $22. And when you buy 2, you'll earn back a $5 extra buck. In the CVS app, there is a $3 digital coupon. You'll pay $19 out of pocket, earn back a $5 extra buck, makes your final cost $14 for 2 bags or $7 a piece, which is still a 30% savings compared to just going to Walmart and paying full price. Another thing I love about Pampers is they have a rewards program. So just type in like Pampers Rewards app on your app store. When you use the diapers, when you open them, on the inside, it's usually like right here, there's a QR code. You scan it on the Pampers Rewards app. So every time you use a bag, that counts as a bag. When you use 10 of them, you'll get $10 back that you can use as a gift card payment towards your next purchase of diapers. So I only need a few more for my next $10 gift card. Another deal you can do on the Pampers, so this would be in place of the diapers, you can grab some wipes. So you would grab 2 of these. They're on sale $7.49 each, and they are buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So this promotion is a limit of 1. So that's why you have to either stock up on wipes or stock up on diapers. There's a $1 off 2 digital coupon. So you would pay $13.98 out of pocket, get back a $5 extra buck, makes your final net cost $8.98 for 2 multi-packs or $4.49 a piece. Next, we're gonna also stock up on Huggies. So these are on sale 2 for $20. Spend $20, get a $5 extra buck. So you can grab any type, it doesn't matter. Then you're gonna use the $1 off 1 digital coupon on the CVS app. You'll pay $19, get back a $5 extra buck, then submit to checkout 51 for a $1 cash back on the second product as a coupon reimbursement. That's gonna make your final cost $13 for 2 bags or $6.50 per bag. So one thing you can do if you need both wipes and diapers, grab the Huggies deal for the diapers, then you can do the Pampers wipes deal. Now you have a little bit of both. Okay, we're back in from CVS. Everything went great. I did 3 transactions today. Don't tell me I lost a receipt already. Nope, there it is. Okay, so I did 3 transactions. So my first transaction, come on Bree, get organized. Okay. First transaction, I wound up doing the Crest deal. You have to do all 4 of those in the same transaction. I did the soft soap and I did the Safeguard. All the digital coupons came off. These first 2 are from the Coupons 24 app. That's what it looks like. Then these are gonna be the CVS coupons. These are my extra bucks that I earned from last week. I'm rolling them this week. Total would have been $9.60 out of pocket. I do have a gift card. If you didn't have a gift card, you would only pay $9.60 out of pocket for all those products, which is a really great deal. Then you're gonna be submitting over to Ibotta and getting $1 cash back on the Safeguard. Unfortunately, the Crest is no longer available for cash back at CVS this week, so we're gonna be doing that at Walgreens next week. But that's an amazing deal. So you'd be grabbing all of these products. Your final cost would have been $8.60 out of pocket. Then of course we earned back, come on, focus, there we go, all of the extra bucks from doing all those deals that I then rolled into my second transaction. So this one, I did the Pampers and I did the spend 20 promotion. Okay, these are all the extra bucks that I just earned that I used. The top coupon is from the Coupons 24 app. Would have paid $19.68 out of pocket, which is still cheaper than going to Walmart and grabbing 2 bags of diapers. And I was able to grab 4 laundry products and 2 bags of diapers for less out of pocket than I would have spent at Walmart. That's why couponing is huge when you learn how to do it the right way and you follow the right deals. So all of these deals are provided in my Everyday Savings Club plus a ton more. So I did, again, use a gift card. If you didn't have a gift card, you're still under $20 out of pocket for all of that, which is great. Then you're gonna earn back the extra bucks for the Pampers and the extra bucks for the household deal. So my last transaction, I did the diapers for Huggies. So I used the coupon, paid $10 with a gift card, or you would pay $10 out of pocket. Again, that's 50% cheaper than grabbing them at Walmart. Then I did submit over to checkout 51 and got $1 cash back on one of the Huggies diapers. So cash costs on this transaction would be only $9 out of pocket for 2 bags of diapers, which is amazing. So let's head home. I'm gonna show you exactly how I enter in all the information in my digital budget spreadsheet. So if you're in the Everyday Savings Club and you're watching this, you have access to this digital budget spreadsheet. If you want access, that'll be below for you guys. So let's head home and enter this in so we can start saving how much money every single month. What the fuck am I saying? Okay. So let's head home, because I guarantee you, if you're not tracking exactly how much you're spending, you have no idea how much money you're saving. So the top 2 mistakes that newer couponers make is, number 1, they're not bringing a coupon breakdown with them when they go to the store. And number 2, you're not tracking your spending. That's why I created my own digital budget spreadsheet specific for couponers. So that way it's very easy. I guarantee you it'll take you 45 seconds and you'll be able to know exactly how much you're saving and the percentage saved, which is really nice. So let's do that together now. So it is a brand new month. We have a new budget here for November, $150. We are starting scratch. So what we're gonna do is enter in all the information. I guarantee it'll take you 45 seconds. So I put the date, so it's November 3rd. Then from the drop down, you're gonna pick your store. Sale price, these are the sale prices of all the products. So my first transaction was $49.42 worth. Out of pocket was $0 because I used a fetch gift card. How many rewards did you use to pay at checkout? I used $17.65. Gift cards to pay was $9.60. That's what I would have paid out of pocket, but I had a fetch rewards gift card. Total cash back was $2 and I earned back $19 in rewards. My next transaction, total retail value with all the sale prices, was $46.96. Out of pocket was $0. Rewards I used was $19 because I always immediately use my rewards. It'll always look like that. Fetch, I put $19.68 on it. And then total cash back was $0. Rewards earned was $9. My last transaction was just the Huggies deal. I used the $9. So again, this is always going to translate down to here. Total cash back was $0 and rewards earned was $5. So in total, for my first haul of this month, I'm super excited. I saved over 100% because I didn't pay anything out of pocket, but I did earn $2 cash back from the Ibotta rebate app. That's not true. Huggies, I got $1 back from checkout 51. 102%. So we are about a $3 moneymaker, which is so exciting. Over here, it's gonna also update everything. So it gave me another $3 towards my budget. So we're actually heading in the right direction here. Last month, I wound up saving $630, which was 82%. So I'd like to show this budget spreadsheet for you guys so you guys can see how quickly you can track everything, and if you have my spreadsheet, how it works. So again, just the spreadsheet will be linked below if you want it, or it's included in my Everyday Savings Club, so that link will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you get some amazing deals at CVS this week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.